What is the sound of your city? Have you ever heard its voice? I created the project The Sound of City to discover the soul of the city through the sounds. We are used to going on holidays and taking pictures, making a lot of videos, but we never stop to listen to what we see. We look at it and that's it. I have traveled the world, and in every place I have been to, I recognize the character of the city through my ears, not my eyes. For me, the cities are like a huge musical instruments. In the silence of the metropolitan sunrise, with my microphones and headphones, I explore unknown places, and I let these sounds cherish my ears with the contradiction that each city offers. Every place has a story to tell. I transform unnoticed sounds of everyday life into music. The urban soundscape is my orchestra, to create the soundtrack of the city, to make something eternal in order to not be forgotten. And now, listen to your own path.